Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer from your wallet to the exchange in Binance, fully updated for 2025. First, open the Binance app on your phone. Once you're in, head over to the Assets section. This is where you can see your balances and manage your funds. Tap on Deposit, then choose the currency you want to send to your exchange wallet. In this example, we'll select USD. After selecting the currency, Binance will ask you to choose a network. For this tutorial, let's choose BNB Smart Chain. Once you select the network, you'll see your unique deposit address appear on the screen. Go ahead and tap the copy button to save it to your clipboard. Now, go back to your wallet in Binance and tap on Assets again. Find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, then tap on it and select Send. In the address field, paste the deposit address you just copied. Once the address is correct, tap Continue. Now enter the amount you want to transfer. Either type in the exact number or choose the maximum available balance. When everything looks good, confirm the transaction. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming crypto tutorials.